Last sunny day before a week of rain. Well, it's been too long once again between drinks. Coming back to spend some time on Doxie today. Now the trick at the moment is to get on. What I mean by that is that the tender is up in the davits. And of course that means the ladder that I would normally climb on the stern is not accessible, so it's actually easier to live on board than it is to live at home and come out to spend time on Doxie. So what I end up having to do basically is go over the side, which is no mean achievement from an inflatable anyway. Anybody got any bright ideas about what kind of ladder I could temporarily hang down there? I'm all ears, but they all seem to have those big curves at the top designed to go over a gunnel, which obviously I don't have. So anyway, thoughts on the back of a sixpence stamp would be good. Thank you. All right, managed to struggle to get everything on board, including myself. Myself, of course, being the hardest bit. So I think I have a cup of tea and lie down now. No way. Coffee it is, and no lie down. Okay, not quite as charged as last time, but of course we're further into winter now, so autumn, whatever it is. So, but yep, she's charging up nicely, so we should see that soon. Just gone through and opened up all these holes. Try and get some air in here. She doesn't smell damp or anything, which has always been a nice thing. So, well, yeah, just try and get a few things going. There's no wind at the moment, but that's okay. Maybe we'll get a bit later, maybe we won't. Just good to be out here. Right, if I'm to have any chance of coffee, I better get this guy installed. Now I learned that these ones, because it's got the thread on the outside, which is something you've got to be really careful about because most of them are on the inside, it's known as a black top. So I know what to ask for next time. Things you learn just by listening to other people talk to each other. Okay, this is the hole where it's got to go. So open it up. And I do have another one, which is also empty, so I'll take that ashore this time and get it replaced. I did clean that out, believe it or not. I'll just give it another wipe. Okay, clean that out. It's actually got core fluid at the bottom, so I've taken that out, cleaned it both sides, cleaned the very bottom, and now detached the hose from the used up other tank. And we're going to put this guy in. Okay, the gas bottle's installed, the gas bottle is turned on. Okay, so the next step basically is to get into this part of the pantry and turn on this gas tap. Probably not much in the pipe at the moment. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, it did take a couple of goes because the pipes were empty, so it took a while to get here, but coffee's on the way, all is good. More than I could say about the wind. There's a few ripples out there. I'm just quite happy to sit here until such time it comes, or if it doesn't, then yeah, it's a day well spent out in the sunshine at least. Okay, so next steps basically, I'm going to pull up the carpet because it's going to inhibit movement of the stairs. And we're going to go and check on our new Butte, Volvo Penta, and I'm trying to be a contortionist, which never works well, ever. Okay, first thing we spot is the coolant, and that seems to be well within the parameters. So I should turn the light on actually, shouldn't I? Okay, next thing we're going to check is the oil, of course. So we'll grab this little baby out. Oh, music to my ears. The coffee staat klaar, as they say in Dutch. More liquid gold. That's why it's in a gold tank, right? Yes, I know. I haven't made that trip to the hardware yet, so I haven't got that siphon thing, which would be a much better idea. So coming up next time I go to the hardware. Okay, so while I've been faffing around, we're now in float mode in the batteries, so that's great. And also a bit of a southerly's kicking in, so I think it might be time to go for a little bit of a sail. Yeah, about that wind. It left as quickly as it came. But hey, I wouldn't swap this. I'm sitting out here on a beautiful day, nice and warm. I'll take it.